In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Firstly, in your Shopify admin, click on Settings. Note that deleting your Shopify account means you will be deleting all the data. Now click on Plan. If you cancel your membership, you can click on Deactivate Trial or Delete My Subscription. Once done, your account store becomes inactive. That is how it works on Shopify. You can simply open the settings, go to the plan, and then click on Cancel Subscription. It will automatically delete your account once your subscription ends. Next, go to Users and Permissions. Click on Transfer Ownership. Here you need to enter the email address and your first and last name and set up a new password. Then you will be able to transfer your store to someone else. This is another way you can explore, but if you want to delete your account, just go to the plan and then delete your subscription. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.